plastic with cold hands. I use these tools to try and climb out of this mess I've made. 2, 3. My door is open. Skeletons and zombies, I am broken as they walk all over me. But if I keep on building walls, maybe they'll stay away. Think fast, it's got to last if you're gonna make it through the rest of the day. I'm trapped, I can't go back, but with a choice to stay. And we'll fight, keep defending for the night. We'll fight the good fight. We're all driven to survive. We'll fight the good fight. I'll keep going, just stay by my side. I'm in a cube land, my castle so grand. And once I lay these tracks, I'll finally make my escape. I am no one, I have no place, no one relates, and there is no sun as the night covers the space. But I beg you, please, please, don't let this life go to waste. Think fast, it's got to last if you're gonna make it through the rest of the day. I'm trapped, I can't go back, but with a choice to stay. And we'll fight, keep defending for the night. We'll fight the good fight. We're all driven to survive. We'll fight the good fight. I'll keep going, just stay by my side.
Side of the lake I knew stood a girl, I know it's true. So what else could I do? So I said hi to you. 3 years and it went great. Our house by a lake, well, sunset on another perfect day. Oh, but that one night it didn't feel right, 'cause there was something I wasn't trusting. A face at the window, well, it scared you off to hell. Might be a long night, I can't tell. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. Although the zombies are coming for us tonight. Knock on our door, wonder what they're here for. Wish I had a 9 sword to fight until that sunrise comes. They'll try and get us, spiders and infect us, with nothing to protect us. To me you are precious, 'cause oh, I swear to you, I'll take care of you. Although the zombies are coming for us tonight. Life now is just survival, with infection going viral. And I missed you all the while since you've been away. Once such a peaceful town, now buildings burning down, well, decay and dirt lay across the ground. Like a nightmare, without sleeping, I made you a promise that I plan on keeping. Gear up and look around, search all across this town. I won't give up until you're found. So I swear to you, I'll be there for you. Although the zombies, they came for us that night, but now it's just me. I'm gonna find you, trust me. Apocalypses must be the undead rising one by one. So if you're out there, darling, please don't get scared. I know you're out there somewhere. I wish I could protect you. Cause oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. Although the zombies, they came for us that night. Is this real? Or is this hell I see? I close my eyes and think in fiction to try to escape this reality. On the other side of that lake I knew stood a girl I know is true. So what else could I do? Oh, I swear to you, I still care for you. Although the zombies might come for me tonight. And no, I'm not scared. They took everything I cared about. You are still right here, standing with me side by side. And if they get me, I'll think of when you met me. You gave me all the best, see, I love you so sincerely. And no, I swear to you, I still care for you. And when I dream, I'll dream of you all night.
Creeper. Oh man. So we back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging from side to side, side to side. This task a grueling one, hope to find some diamonds tonight, diamonds tonight. Heads up, you hear a sound, turn around and look up. Total shock fills your body. Oh no, it's you again. I can never forget those eyes. Cause baby, tonight the creeper's trying to steal our stuff again. Cause baby, tonight grab your big shovel and bolt again. And run until it's done, until the sun comes up in the morning. Cause baby, tonight the creeper's trying to steal our stuff again. Just when you think you're safe, overhear some hissing from right behind. That's a nice life you have, shame it's gotta end at this time. Blows up, then your health bar drops and you could use a one-up. Get inside, don't be tardy. So now you're stuck in there, half a heart is left, but don't die. Cause baby, tonight the creeper's trying to steal our stuff again. Cause baby, tonight grab your big shovel and bolt again. And run until it's done, until the sun comes up in the morning. Cause baby, tonight the creeper's trying to steal our stuff again. You're mine. Dig up diamonds and craft those diamonds and make some armor. Get it, baby, going forge. I like you so MLG Pro. The sword's made of diamonds, so come at me, bro. Training in your room under the torchlight, hone that phone to get you ready for the big fight. Every single day in the home light, creepers out prowling. Alright, look at me, look at you. Take my revenge, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm a warrior, baby, what else is new? And my blade's gonna tear through you. Cause baby, tonight the creeper's trying to steal all our stuff again. Gather your stuff? Yeah, let's take back the world. Baby, tonight grab your sword, armor, and gold. It's on. Take your revenge.